From simple handyman tasks to high-end remodels and 24/7 emergency repairs, Suncoast Services is your one-stop shop in Pasco County. We show up on time, we always call back, and no job is too small. Let's get your project started today. Come check this out.
We keep it simple, keep it smooth. Every day we're in the groove. If you need us, let us know. Yeah, we're faster than you think, that's the Suncoast flow. From Port Richey to Tampa Bay. Call us once and we're on our way. Whatever you need, we run the show. That's the Suncoast, that's the Suncoast flow. Patching up the walls where life got loud. Smoothing every line like we're blending clouds. No cracks, no dents, just a clean new frame. We make your home look fresh again. Need a fix real quick, yeah, we're on that call. From those hinges to the things you dropped off the walls. Big or small, yeah, you already know. Suncoast steps in and steals the show. Keeping rentals tight, tenants feel at ease. Handling repairs, schedules and keys. On to stay calm, cause we run that road. Peace of mind, yeah, that's the goal. Washing off the mold, the grit, the grime. Driveway side and we make them shine. Looks brand new when we done for real. Like your curb appeal, just signed a deal. Peppers looking sharp, fences standing tall. Built like a tank, never gonna fall. Clean lines, strong ties, we do it right. Transforming backyards overnight. Wood grain smooth like a mellow bass line. Cut so clean, you'd swear we froze time. Shelves, beams, frames, whatever you dream. We turn raw lumber into a whole new scene. Trim so crisp with the razor edge glide. It poke lines clean like a low tide. Final touches making everything glow. That detail work, yeah, that's our show. Sweeping up dust, wiping down stress. Fresh linen vibes, only the best. Homes feel lighter everywhere we go. A clean space hits like a lo-fi glow. From squeaks to leaks, we tame the chaos. Every little fix, yeah, we're on that boss. When something breaks, we're who you know. Get it done right with the Suncoast flow. No stress, no rush, we keep it real slow. But the work gets done before you even know. From the first hello to the final go, we bring that steady ready. Suncoast glow, lights on, tools out, let the rhythm roll. Every little project's got a heart and a soul. Home by home, watch the good vibes grow. It's the Suncoast, it's the Suncoast flow. We keep it simple, keep it smooth. Every day we're in the groove. If you need us, let us know. Yeah, we're faster than you think, that's the Suncoast flow. From Port Richey to Tampa Bay. Call us once and we're on our way. Whatever you need, we run the show. That's the Suncoast, that's the Suncoast flow. That's the Suncoast flow. It's the Suncoast flow. Cruising through the day on a Suncoast flow. Fixing up homes while the palm trees blow. Port Richey roots, yeah, we keep it on track. Call us once, Gio's crew always calls you back. We keep it simple, keep it smooth. Every day we're in the groove. If you need us, let us know. Yeah, we're faster than you think, that's the Suncoast flow. A little drywall, a little paint on the side. Turn a messy situation to a clean, fresh vibe. Trims, doors, floors, whatever you need.
Thanks for watching. Come visit us online at suncoastservices.us for an estimate. See you soon.